Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today, 15th April 2025, and we have had the hailstorm or the hail precipitation. What is hail? I'm not going to those technical details that how hail formation occurs in the clouds because it will be so longer. But this is, as I mentioned, April, mid of April, and today we were having 38 degrees centigrade in Islamabad. This temperature is very common for this time of the year. Generally, we have 36 to 38 degrees centigrade in June in Islamabad. But this year we have early heat waves, and this heat wave was from the start of the last weekend, Saturday or Sunday or last Friday. So it was very common, and due to that heat, when the clouds go very up, I will simply say in two sentences, and they beyond the troposphere, the first sphere, to the pressure zone up. So the clouds formed there caused the hail formation. These were very big storms. So this storm fall down there before 15 minutes. Now they have melted because of the heated surface of the earth. But what I wanted to focus, it has damaged our crops. The wheat crop is ready in Islamabad region. It has damaged it. It has damaged so many cars. It has damaged, of course, plants, the flowering plants. You can see so many fruit plants available in number of gardens, available in campus of Qaid University, and then around Islamabad. We don't have information so far from the neighboring region, but it's very common. In the last week, there was some hailfall in the neighboring region of Punjab, in the South Punjab, and in the KP we have very common over the recent few years. And then what is happening that this hailfall formation is one of the sign of climatic changes. You can come closer to see this and to listen the story, and we want to show the people. So first of all, I'm going why these climatic changes, why these abrupt rise in temperature happens. This is due to number of toxic and heavy gases. These are called greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, particularly carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, and other gases. These are heavy gases due to gravitational pull. They remain on the surface of the earth, and when they remain on the surface of the earth, when the surface is heated, the temperature don't go up in the bouncing back pattern, but it is bouncing again back to the surface, and the surface temperature remains very high, and that causes so many damages to our species. It causes extinction. It causes stress to us because I was so stressed over the last few days to see this temperature, and it caused the closure of the schools and number of other things. And we, Pakistan, India, China, Kazakhstan, Central Asian countries, which are around the third pole of the world. What is third pole of the world? Himalaya, Hindu Kush, Karakoram, Altai, Altau, Teen Shan mountains. This is the place after the Arctic and Antarctic poles, which have a lot of ice. And this ice is also meeting due to those heat waves. And when it is melting, it causes floods. And when it causes floods, it causes damage to our irrigation system or canal system in the countries I mentioned. It also causes the damage to our properties, to our land, to our crops, and ultimately it causes the problem of food security. It contributes to the hunger of the people, and it causes so many problems. There are numerous problems. There is no walk of life which is away, which is out from the changes of these high rise and these changing pattern, these rainfall and the weather pattern. Now, what we can do, what we should do, we should minimize the consumption of fossil fuels. And this consumption of fossil fuels, how it will be reduced? Generally, we drive our car. Everybody drive their car. I have never taken car in my life.